Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm sharing this recipe with you, and as well I'm just so happy that I was able to make it. This is yogurt culture, and I just used some basic ingredients that we have in our daily lives, which are nido or milk powder and lemon juice. I was just so happy because this was my first time. So I have this needle here, which is 26 grams, and I'll be using everything. I just use my scissors to cut the top. Then I'll use this spoon to measure it so that you can all see and get the right measurement. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 of these spoons equals 26 grams. So this is my water. I'm adding half cup of water. I'm just going to stir it gently to dissolve all the milk powder in it. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. After mixing or stirring, I just pour it into my frying pan here or any saucepan that you have. Then I'll place it on a low medium heat for it to boil a little. I'll continuously monitor it so that it doesn't boil over. You can see it has started to boil, so I'll just turn off my flame and set it aside for it to cool to room temperature. Now, for me to know that it has cooled, I just dipped my little finger into it, and if I was able to withstand the heat, then that means I can now add my lemon juice. So I just transferred it into this bowl, and I'll be extracting the juice from the lemon so that I can add it into my mug. So you can see the measurement is just this spoon, and I had 1.5 of it. I gently mix it thoroughly. Then I'll get an airtight container and then transfer it into it. After pouring it into the container, I'll close it with the airtight lid, and then I'll keep it in a warm place or in a warm container where there will be avoidance of shaking and other distractions. So I have my food bowl here, which is vacuum bowl. So I just added some tissue paper just to keep it warm. So I'll just set it aside, and I'll not disturb it until the time that I'll be opening it. Now I'm about to open it after 24 hours because I couldn't open it at the right time due to the kids being around, and I needed to attend to them. So now I'll gently open this airtight lid and see what is inside. I'll be sharing on this platform how to make yogurt by using this yogurt starter that I made. Wow, this is so nice. See how thick it has turned out. I'm just so happy because this is the perfect yogurt culture. My first time making it, and it's so great. I don't even want to put it back in the container. See how lovely it is. And I know you follow these steps or the steps I followed to make yours too. Very nice yogurt culture with just powdered milk and lemon juice. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'll be giving you amazing content always and every time. Now I'll be storing this in my fridge for use whenever I'm free to use it. I hope you have enjoyed your stay here. Have a wonderful time. Bye.